The average listing in America in 2021 had more than 4 offers on it. Some had north of 30 offers. There are winners in this game and there are losers. Do you want to be a winner or a loser? In today's market, I see 3 mistakes that happen all the time and cost buyers the ability to win in a multiple offer situation. Number 1, they go in contingent upon the sale of their home. That's a tough one. If you've got a bunch of other offers you're going against and your house needs to sell before you can actually buy their house, it's not likely to get accepted unless you're so overpaying for the home that they have to look at your deal. Now, there is a little bit of a difference or a little bit of a distinction here. I do see offers being accepted when they are subject to the successful close of another home. And what that means is you, the buyer, already have an agreement on your home and it is scheduled to close in the coming days or weeks. Then it becomes a more solid offer and a little more attractive to the seller. The second shortfall that I see in a lot of offers is the unwillingness or inability for buyers to pick up the gap between a potential lower appraisal price than the sale price. So there are times when in a rising market, appraisals don't quite keep up with the value of properties in the market, and buyers will be asked to come up with more cash to keep the deal together. Good offers these days have some sort of language in them that address this potential shortfall and how the buyer is going to pick up some or all of that shortfall. The third issue, and this is a little more nuanced, is communication. There are some agents out there who will actually write an offer, sometimes a strong offer, and not communicate with the listing agent at all. They'll just email it in and hope and pray that their offer is going to be accepted. The good agents will actually call the listing agent, have a dialogue, understand what's important to the seller so that they can craft their offer better, and stand up for their buyer and talk a little bit about how important this transaction is to the buyer of the home. I recently had a listing that had 3 pretty equivalent offers, and it was difficult for us to figure out which was the best offer of the 3. In the end, I advised my client to go with the agent who does more business and communicated better with me. This agent called me, texted me, emailed me, make sure I got the offer, asked when the offers would be reviewed, and then asked if I had any other questions about their buyer's qualifications. Communication is super key. If you want to be a winner in today's market, talk to your agent about avoiding these 3 major mistakes. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you'd like to add something to this, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much.